Hello everyone, I am Angel May Antino and I am from the group Ravenclaw. In this review, we'll explore the film Unfriended Dark Web and how it highlights the danger of technology. The film Unfriended Dark Web, directed by Steven Susco, is a 2018 horror thriller that takes place entirely through a computer screen. The characters of this film are Matthias, Amaya, Nari, Serena, Damon, AJ, Lex, Kelly, Erica June, Sharon 4, and the other Sharon. The story follows Matthias, a young man who finds a laptop and uses it during a video call with his friends. However, the group soon discovers that the laptop's owner is involved in dangerous activities on the dark web, leading to a series of terrifying events. Their group of friends become targeted by a group of cybercriminals who use technology to manipulate and terrorize them. The trends that involves in the film are social media. Social media that is used for communication among the characters, while media sharing involves the exchange of files, often leading to dangerous consequences in the film. The film also includes assistive media that is used by one of the characters because his girlfriend is deaf and he relies on technology to communicate with her. The film highlights several internet threats, including spyware and malware used to infiltrate and control devices, phishing scams designed to trick users into giving sensitive information, and the exploitation of private data through the dark web. These threats demonstrate the dangers of engaging with unsecure online platforms and the importance of practicing online safety. The lesson I've learned from the film is it teaches valuable lessons about online safety and the importance of protecting personal information. It reminds us to avoid suspicious websites, unknown files, and interaction with strangers online. The movie also highlights the dangers of accessing sensitive or illegal content, showing how it can have severe consequences. It emphasizes the importance of using secure passwords, maintaining online privacy, and being cautious when using technology. Lastly, the film serves as a reminder that while technology is a powerful tool, it can also be dangerous if misused or left unprotected. That's all. Thank you for joining this review of Unfriended Dark Web. The film offers a chilling reminder of the dangers of modern technology. Stay safe and mindful of the technology we use every day.